If you want to scan a document on the Motorola Edge 70, what you can do is you can go to the camera, and over here in the camera we can go all the way to more in order to find the scan option. This scanner can be used to scan documents quite easily. As you can see, the camera detects the document, and it immediately also takes the photo of this document. So we don't even have to use the shutter button. As long as you keep the phone steady, you should be able to easily automatically capture the document. You can also retake the photo if you want to. At the top we have different additional options that can be quite useful for editing of the scanned document. And you can also add another page. So if you have a couple of different pages of the same document, you can just press add page and you can keep capturing these photos. And once you are done, tap save and finish. And there we go, we can see that the document has been saved in two formats actually, JPG in gallery and PDF file in Files app. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.